Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Planning P6, and we are at the admin preferences setting, option number 5, which is earn value. And I will describe this option in 3 steps because you have to know these there are 3 options and which are very critical, and you have to understand very clearly to exercise or use that options in Primavera P6. And one more thing, this admin preferences setting is only occurred when you will change and at the start of the project or the during beginning or the change the setting before starting a new project, then this setting will occur and you cannot change that setting during the project. Some option you can use during the project, but majorly most of them you cannot use. If you add the activity after the changing that options, then it will affect on your schedule of works or WBS like that. If you will change that option, they will not disturb your previous schedule of work. So let's move forward to our topic and open your Primavera P6 schedule and open your project where you want to apply that setting. Go to the admin and admin preferences. We will see our fifth option is earned value. Earned value, in the earned value there is a first one, technique for computing performance percent complete, and the second option is technique for computing estimate to complete etc, and third is earned value calculation. I will describe in three parts in three different videos as a similar, then you can exercise. Today we will discuss about the technique for the computing performance percent complete, and first one is activity percent complete. So activity percent complete, this is when your activity is how much percent is complete, the performance percent complete will be is equal to the activity percent complete. I will just close that, and where is your performance percent column is here, just add it. It will not change, but I just show you performance percent complete, this one. Move that column and at the end apply and OK. Now here, and we will show the activity tab here, detail tab, bottom layout, and in the general you can see these three types, completion types. When you complete one of them which is assigned to your project, physical units or performance is equal to, if you complete that physical in the status tab, if you complete the 30%, my performance setting is as that. If you complete that one activity is start and completed at 30%, you can see here in the performance is 30%, and the other option will not work here. This is 30% now. This is how that activity percent complete is work is equal to how much activity physical unit or duration percent complete. This option will calculate the performance is equal to that one. And then the second option is WBS milestones. Here in the WBS milestone we have the options. In the WBS tab, just close it here, and we will go to the WBS option here. In that WBS you can see here, if we customize that one and add a column of, I already described to the estimation weightages. Find next EST weight, this one, line OK, this one. You can see here estimated weight, this one, how much you assign to your WBS, then it will be work like that. And if I show here the bottom layout and here in the general, this is earned value. You can manage that for the WBS up to the, you can manage from here the same earned values, and here you can see here the WBS milestone. You have to add your milestone in the WBS level and assign that milestone the weightage of the WBS. If there is a 5, if you add the 5 milestone, then it will be divided equally. And after the completion of that milestone, the weightage will be calculated. You can see 25%, and if I complete 50% and 75% and 100%, that's this was that performance percent complete WBS milestone. If I completed 2, then it will be 50% up to the WBS level. Then if I completed these 4 or 3, then 70, and 4 is 100%. This performance percent complete is working like that in Primavera P6. And here the third option is the 0 over 100% complete. In the 0 over 100% complete, it means you are percent complete. If I close here and we will go to the activity tabs, in activity tabs it means if your activity is 30%, it does not matter. After the up to 0 to 99%, the activity performance percent complete will be 0. When you will complete that activity here as a finished, you will complete actualize your activity and complete it, then that percent complete 0 over 100% complete will be 100% here like that. And the fourth option is here 50 over 50% complete. If close it, if that activity is your 30%, 40%, 0 to 99%, it will be performance percent complete will be 50%. And after the, because I have assigned during the activity inserting, I have assigned the activity percent complete, that's why it's showing here the 30%. But the logic is that from the 0 to 99%, the activity, when the activity start, it will be performance percent complete is 50, and when the activity completed, you finish the activity, it will be 100%. On that logic, 50 over 50 percent complete. 0 to 99, the activity performance will be 50%, and after the completion of activity, the finish date, then the activity will be 100%. And the last option is custom percent complete. You can write here 30, 25, whatever you want, 10 to 90%, whatever you want. The same logic like that, percent complete 0 to 99, the activity will be 30, and then after the completion, after the marking the finish date, the activity will completed 100%. This is the techniques for the computing performance percent complete in Primavera P6 software. And it will occur when you add, after the changing, you have to add a new activity or new WBS, then that changing or setting will apply or happen to your project. And your existing some of option you can use, but majorly most of the option you cannot use. You have to add new WBS, or you have to change your required setting before creating the project or activity WBS. Hopefully, you understand our today's tutorial technique for computing performance percent complete. In next tutorial, we will describe the second option and the third option. Next tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.